Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to squarespace.com. Then sign into your account. After you've successfully logged in, look for the menu option labeled Website and click on it. This takes you into the area where you manage different parts of your site. From here, navigate to the Content and Membership section. Inside this section, you'll notice a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to access detailed settings. This will bring you a drop-down, Select Payment Options section. Here you'll see a list of payment providers available for integration. Locate Stripe and select it, since Stripe will be responsible for handling all transactions made on your Squarespace website. Once Stripe is selected, click the Connect button below it. Squarespace will now redirect you to log into your Stripe account, or create one if you haven't set it up yet. Simply follow the instructions on screen to authorize Squarespace and allow it to process payments on your behalf. And that's it. So that is how you can connect Stripe to Squarespace website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.